Instagram broadcast channels allow creators to share messages, updates, and announcements with many followers at once through a one-way chat. This is great for sharing news, exclusive content, or creating with your audience without direct replies. And here's how you can set up and use Instagram broadcast channels. For that, you need to go ahead and open the Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and directly go to your messages section. Now tap on the messenger icon located in the top right corner of your screen and create a broadcast channel. So in order to create a broadcast channel, go ahead, tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner, and there you will see the option of create a channel. Go ahead and tap on get started. Give your channel a name and select the audience. You can also go through options like pin channel in the inbox, so channel on profile, allow members to reply to messages and all, and then tap on create in the top right corner. You can choose the followers you want to invite to your channel, and they can choose to join and receive your updates as well. And after your channel is set up, you can send announcements, updates, pictures, or polls. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.